Hi and welcome to your OneSearch tutorial on your account. So OneSearch, you do have to log in. So up here you can see that I am signed in. You can see my name there. And then right next to it is my account. Now because this is for the library, obviously we can check out materials, and if they're overdue, there could be fines involved. And this is where you would see everything about your account at the library. So in the overview, it shows you loans, fines, any requests you've put in, blocks, messages, and then there's also a section for personal details. You can see that I don't have anything, but if you did have loans, they would show up in this section, listing what you have. Also, in a previous tutorial, we talked about requests. If you have requested a book from a CSU, or if you requested one from the library, it would appear here. Fines and fees. This is where you would go to see if you have any outstanding fees, and then if you click on Pay Fine, it would actually take you to the location where you would enter your ID, and you would be able to pay it here online. Which is pretty convenient. We can also see if we have any blocks. So if we do have some fines and they've blocked us from being able to check anything out, this is where I would explain it and let us know what's going on or any messages from the library. And then finally, personal details that have your information in there. So personal details is also where you can change your settings. If you want to be emailed or text access, you can let them know what you want in terms of communication within these categories. So if you have any questions with regards to your account or how to use it or where to find information, please feel free to contact me at the library. Thank you.